Hi, I'm Leslie Logan. Welcome to my studio here in Los Angeles. Today we're going to talk about boomerang. I'm a big fan of boomerang, and there are a lot of variations of the boomerang out there. So if you know a different variation, you're not wrong. This is a different one. I just happen to treat boomerang more of a rolling exercise. I like the way it was done in Return to Life. The way that my teacher, Jade Grimes, learned it with Joseph Pilates is that it's just basically a rolling exercise. So I don't stop and like pose and then go through it. Although I have learned it that way as well, and it's also very valid. What I'm going to show you is just a way to help you really kind of flow the last bit of your mat, because by the end you're just, you just got to get through it sometimes. So with boomerang, there's a couple things that I think are really important key aspects of it. One is to actually know what the arms are doing. So when I start to flow this, you're going to see when the arms come back behind you, it's not just a flapping thing. I'm pulling them back from my triceps and my lats, which if I was doing rowing on the reformer would help me bend into my upper abs more. So you want to use this part of the boomerang to basically help pull your ribs up and in, up and in, up and in. So it really helps bring you together, because when you're doing this whole thing, it's easy to, once you lie back, let this go. So this arm pulsing helps you get more of this back, right? So you can even practice with your legs out, arms back, and pull your arms up and round. Pull your arms up and round. Pull your arms up and round, right? So then the other part that's really key is being able to lift these legs to you without you leaning back to lift them up. So that was really easy. My legs came up because they're attached to my body. But what I would love for you to do is to actually bring your legs to you, and that's what knocks your body over, right? So that the shape stays the same the whole time. You're not going to open the shape up and then close the shape and then open the shape and then close the shape. Does that make sense? So, okay, I have long legs. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you're like, how do I do that? Just practice. Round, feel your upper abs connect, do like a hundreds curl, and squeeze your legs and bring them together. Now the key is to use all that hip strength that we learned when we did the kneeling side kicks and the side bend. So it's all there for you, right? You just have to suck it in. Suck those outer hips in, squeeze the legs together, and then all of a sudden you can go. Now, the switch at the top has to be really quick. Open, close. It's like a scissor. The reason is that you don't want to rest down there because you've got to keep this together. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start. You bring your legs to you, you knock yourself over, you keep your connection open, close, so the space stays the same. Then I round, and I keep connecting my upper abs by pulsing 1, 2, 3, and I go right into the next one, right? Try not to use your feet to hook your legs together. Try to keep squeezing your outer hips in and your inner thighs together like you did on your side bend, and you do, I don't know, 4 to 6. You want to keep it even, and you should feel really connected to your center. Try not to stress about it. If it all falls apart, just notice where you are losing it, and then practice with your rolling like a ball, right? If when you lie back, the shape drops, right? That means when you're rolling like a ball, you're probably letting your knees collapse into you. If on the way up, you leave your chest behind, then that means you're losing your upper abs, right? So it's something you can practice in your rolling like a ball. And you can practice it by doing elbows on knees and going back and forth when you're rolling like a ball and trying to keep your elbows on your knees. Then take your legs apart, take your legs out straight, and then try to do it again. If boomerang just isn't happening for you yet, it's totally fine. Do rolling like a ball during a boomerang and just keep flowing. You'll get it one day. I'm Leslie Logan. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below, request suggestions. I'm all ears to hear it. And if you want to flow with me each and every week, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we have 30-minute mat classes every week just for you to press play and flow. Because it's important that you do your Pilates as often as you can to really enjoy feeling super awesome in your life. Thank you.